Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu healthy. We'll explore smart ingredient substitutions that significantly lighten this beloved Italian dessert. You can enjoy the rich, creamy flavors you love while reducing calories and unhealthy fats. Get ready to transform your tiramisu into a guilt-free indulgence, perfect for any occasion. The traditional mascarpone cream is delicious but rich. To lighten it, swap some or all of the mascarpone with plain Greek yogurt or ricotta cheese. These alternatives offer a similar creamy texture with fewer calories and less fat. Opt for low-fat versions of these dairy products for an even greater reduction. You can also reduce egg yolks or incorporate whipped egg whites for a lighter, airy consistency. Sweetening tiramisu smartly is key. Instead of refined sugar, try natural options like a few tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Sugar substitutes like erythritol or stevia can also provide sweetness with 0 calories. For the ladyfingers, look for whole wheat varieties or consider baking your own with reduced sugar. You can even use alternatives like oat flour cake or rice cakes for a unique base. To maximize flavor while keeping it healthy, use strong, unsweetened espresso or coffee for dipping your ladyfingers. This provides a bold coffee kick without extra sugar. Finish your tiramisu with a generous dusting of unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic bitter contrast. Finally, consider serving your healthy tiramisu in small, individual portions. This helps control calorie intake, allowing you to savor every delicious, lighter bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.